Hello students, once again welcome back to a geography class for lesson number 8, Industries. See here, some pictures are given. On the basis of these pictures, we can understand that industry is a place where raw material is converted into finished product. That means the process of converting the available raw material into finished product is done in industries. Here two examples are given. The field of sugar cane. With the help of these raw material, we can produce sugar and jaggery. So the place where sugar and jaggery is being made, that place is known as industry. Just like that, here the field of cotton buds is given. These cottons are cultivated in through agricultural production, right? This is the raw material. These raw material is processed, and with the help of this cotton thread, and with the help of that thread, cloth are prepared. So the place where the process is being made on this cotton, and with the help of cotton the thread and cloth is being made, that is known as, the place is known as industry. So we can say that the place where the raw material is being converted into some new finished product is known as industries. The benefit of these industrial product is that whatever product is being prepared, though that product is more durable, more useful, and has an added value. For example, just take an example that sugar cane. If we cut the sugar cane, we cannot store it for a very longer period of time. उसको जो है हम बहुत लंबे टाइम तक स्टोर करके नहीं रख सकते. उसका जो जूस होता है वो क्या हो जाता है, बाद में सूख जाता है ना. बट whenever this sugar or jaggery is produced with the help of that sugar cane only, we can store that sugar or jaggery for months and years. That means we can store it for a longer period of time. So that is what known as durability. And we can see that we cannot use sugar cane in all the products. जितनी भी स्वीट प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं सब में शुगर कैन का हम यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. बट वी कैन फाइंड दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द स्वीट dishes are being prepared with the help of this jaggery and sugar only. That means as a sweetener we are using this sugar and jaggery. So it is more useful and it is having more added value. These industries, or we can say that whatever industrial unit is there, it is known as secondary occupation. रॉ मटेरियल्स जहाँ से हमको मिलते हैं, दैट इज़ एग्रीकल्चर, मिनरल्स एट्सेट्रा, माइनिंग एक्टिविटीज़, ये सारा क्या है, प्राइमरी ऑक्यूपेशन. वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ दिस sectoral distribution of these occupations. In that we have learned that occupations are being classified into three: primary occupation, secondary occupation, and tertiary occupation. Primary occupation are based on nature. Secondary occupation are the occupation which are based on प्राइमरी ऑक्यूपेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंडस्ट्रीज जो होता है इनका रन करना किस पर डिपेंड करता है, प्राइमरी ऑक्यूपेशन पर. वी नीड सम रॉ मटेरियल, राइट, एंड दैट रॉ मटेरियल इज ओनली प्रोसेस्ड एंड सम न्यू प्रोडक्ट आर बीइंग प्रिपेयर्ड. एंड इवन वी कैन से दैट ये जो इंडस्ट्रीज़ होती है, ये इंडस्ट्रीज़ जो है वो इसमें ज़्यादा यूज़ किसका होता है, मशीनरीज़ का यूज़ होता है. मोर एंड मोर मशीनरीज, टेक्नोलॉजीज आर यूज्ड, एंड बाय दिस वी कैन से दैट because of the use of this science and technology, more development is possible with the help of these industries. So we can say that industries is given the boost to industrialization, and this industrialization or the process of industrialization leading to the economic development of human being as well as of a country. Students, here you are given with some factors which affecting the location of an industry. We have learned that industries are important. That means for the development of a region, industries or industrialization is an important factor. But for this industry or setup of an industry, some are the important factors which exactly affect the location of an industry. So what are these factors? First one is agricultural produce. That means we need an industry nearby the agricultural produce so that less time and expense is consumed on that transportation of raw material from agricultural produce to the industries. We need some labor availability also so that they can work. We need energy, market where we can sell our product, whatever finished product we are preparing. After that we need adequate water supply. After that if the industry is based on forest, that means कि जैसे कि टिम्बर इंडस्ट्री है, कुछ हर्ब्स होते हैं, मेडिसिन होती हैं, उनकी इंडस्ट्रीज़ है, तो उसके लिए क्या होना चाहिए, फॉरेस्ट एरिया होना चाहिए. तो वो भी उसका भी लोकेशन देखा जाता है दैट इट मस्ट बी नियर बाय टू द इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया, दैट फॉरेस्ट एरिया से नियर बाय होना चाहिए इंडस्ट्री का लोकेशन. एंड इफ़ द इंडस्ट्री इज़ बेस्ड ऑन मिनरल्स, सो वेर एवर दीज रिजर्व्स ऑफ मिनरल्स आर फाउंड वी कैन मेक द इंडस्ट्रियल लोकेशन नियर बाय टू इट. बिकॉज मिनरल्स जो है बहुत हैवी होते हैं, तो उनका ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट, उनका ऊपर जो एफर्ट्स होते हैं और जो टाइमिंग्स होते हैं, फिर क्या होगा, वो कम कंज्यूम होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्रीज़ है ना, ये जो है वो मिनरल्स इंडस्ट्री में इंक्लूड होता है. सो दीज आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स ऑन विच द लोकेशन ऑफ एनी इंडस्ट्री इज डिपेंड. We are knowing that industrial development is an important phenomena for the development of any of the region. But this industrial development is also depend on some factors. What are these factors? So these are first raw material. इंडस्ट्री में किसी भी फिनिश प्रोडक्ट को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ क्या चाहिए हमें, रॉ मटेरियल. आफ्टर दैट वी नीड वाटर, वी नीड लेबर, ट्रांसपोर्टेशनल फैसिलिटीज़, कैपिटल, मार्केट एट्सेट्रा. And according to the availability of all these factors, industrial development is depend. That means these factors, if these factors are adequately available, so we can find industrial development in a rapid phase. But if these factors are inadequate or the facilities are not properly available, so we can find that the industrial development is very slow. And because of the unequal distribution of these factors, industries also not able to develop properly in certain places. So if we want that industrial development must be more and more, and industrialization का process जो है वो ज़्यादा अच्छा हो. So we require that these factors must be available in a proper way with the equal distribution. Here you are given with one of the one column. In that you are given that study the factors given below and state which industries could develop in these region. That means if these facilities are available, so which type of industry you can find will be more developed. For example, excellent transport facilities, skilled labor and uninterrupted supply of electricity. अगर अच्छी फैसिलिटी है ट्रांसपोर्टेशन की, अच्छे लेबर जो है वो अवेलेबल है और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की सप्लाई जो है वो अच्छा है, तो कोई भी टाइप की जो है वो लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्री जो है वो इजीली रन हो सकती है. राइट. लाइमस्टोन डिपॉजिट्स, चीप लेबर, uninterrupted supply of water and electricity, increasing urbanization. So by this we can understand that minerals based industry जो है वो अच्छे से क्या हो सकती है, डेवलप हो सकती है. Fruit orchards, labor excellent transportation facilities, unlimited water supply, uninterrupted electricity and ready market. यहाँ पर we can say that agro based industries, that means the industry which is based on agriculture must develop or boost very rapidly. So by this we can today we have just learned the overview of about an industry, that what is an industry, what are the important factors which affect the location of an industry. In the coming lecture, students, we are going to learn about the classification of industries as per their nature. Thank you, students.